Morning and welcome to the daily no nonsense crypto minutes. Today we're going to talk about Dogecoin. Doge meme coin created in about 2014. It was a fork of the Litecoin network, and it just kind of stayed alive because of the community surrounding Doge. And every now and then it gets a lot of attention from celebrities. Recently, Elon Musk has been pumping about it. Has been posting about it, which has caused a lot of buying activity and frenzy around Doge. We just got to give you the history of Doge. Doge is an oscillator, meaning it moves up and down, point to point. And so generally, you look to buy Doge when it goes under 30 Satoshis. A Satoshi is the lowest unit of measure for Bitcoin. Then you look to sell Doge when it goes over 80 Satoshis. And how you can see that here, if we look at the Doge USD pair, well, Doge actually trades cryptos in general, they trade basically off of two pairs. You have the USD pair, and then you have the Bitcoin pair. And a lot of times, most people or most Americans are going to be denominating their trades in USD, but you can also trade against the BTC pair, and they both play relevance. Right here, we kind of see with this recent activity, Doge just kind of went crazy on the US dollar chart, broke out here, went up. Now it's on the backside of a trend. But if I look at the BTC pair, let's try to get that back up. Look, the DogeBTC pair, you can kind of see here that, under 30 Satoshis here, over 30 Satoshis, over 80 Satoshis here. These are when how it oscillates. So you look to purchase when it goes on that. Now this last one here, if you would have bought in around this time, which was in June of 2019, you would have had to wait until almost a year and a half before you actually get to the proper price targets for it. So you have to have patience to play the Doge game. It's not, back before when there was less cryptos, less altcoins to trade, it was getting a little more liquidity. Now there's a lot more competition, so it just doesn't pump as much. But if you could be patient, you can get insane gains. Now also look, the last time we had these kind of multiple Doge pumps in the same year was in 2017 / 2018, that bull run. And you can see we had the previous all-time BTC breakout high, but this high was actually higher in the US dollar, because here Bitcoin was about, let's say, the $3,000 range. On here Bitcoin was about somewhere between $16,000 and $18,000, so it was a much better hit a much higher price on the USD pair, even though on the BTC pair it was lower. But if you played the Doge game, you could have capitalized off of both of them. And so here I may look to do something. If I say I've had $1,000, I may look to set an alert on something like this app or TradingView or Blockfolio or any type of alerting platform that for crypto, get an alert that says, okay, well, if it goes under, let's say if it gets to 29 Satoshis, email me or text me or whatever. So it gets there, I get the note, maybe I got $1,000, I'll take 200 to scale, and then maybe I wait a few days, see if it goes lower. Then I may take another 100 and kind of scale in. So I keep scaling in a little more and more until I get to my $1,000. And then I just have to be patient. Maybe set an alert for when Doge goes over 40 Satoshis. So I know, let me start paying attention a little more, and just kind of wait till it gets up here. Or you can set an alert for Doge to hit 81 Satoshis. You can set limit orders if you want. All different types of stuff you could do to play this game. And like I said, there was last time you had two instances. If this was the first, that means there should be another. I know I have on my Blockfolio app, I have a notification set so that when it goes back under 30 Satoshis, I'll be looking to enter in to play the Doge game again. Nothing's guaranteed, but I'm just playing the probability that it's been an oscillator and it's been continue to do the same thing. Next thing, you can look at CoinGecko. It's like, where can you get Doge for U.S. citizens? Well, first, Doge comes up, and you have to actually go to the market section, where here's you can see all the different places where Doge is traded all around the world. You can see the kind of liquidity it has on different exchanges based off the 24-hour volume. So for Americans, we're basically looking at, Kraken is but it's called XDG on Kraken. Then you have, Binance US, Btrex, and then also you have FTX US, which is on the Blockfolio app. There may be some other places out there. I know, like Robinhood, you could trade Doge, but you're not actually trading the cryptocurrency itself. You're trading a derivative of it. But these are just some different places that you can get Doge if you want to participate and play in the Doge game. If you have any questions, any additional questions, please send them to info@thecryptocraft.com. If you like this video and got value from it, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you. Have a good day.